Good morning, everyone. Mom, can we do something fun today? Yes. I'm bored.
I have an idea.
What is it?
Ta-da! How would you like to go on a wild animal safari?
A safari?
Yes.
Lions?
Yes. Elephants? Yes.
Zebras?
Of course.
This is the best day ever!
So, what's everyone looking forward today?
I can't wait to go to the park. Lucas, hurry up! I'm trying. Where is your safari hat? I don't really know.
What's wrong?
I can't find my hat. There it is! You found it! Let's go! I'm ready for the safari.
Kids, let's go!
Come on! Come on! The animals are waiting for us! Wow! Look at that giant gate!
We made it.
It's so big! I can already see animals! Did you hear that? Yes! I think that was an animal.
Welcome, explorers!
Hello! Hello! Sir!
Are there really lions here? Oh, absolutely.
Wow! Really?
There sure are.
Real lions?
Absolutely.
I hope they don't eat us. Lucas!
Don't worry. You'll be perfectly safe.
Let's go! I can't wait to see the animals! Look! What are those animals? What are those animals?
Good eyes, Lucas.
Come on, let's get closer!
Stay together, explorers. Stay together, explorers.
Wow! They're beautiful!
These are zebras.
Why do they have stripes?
That's a great question. Every zebra has its own stripe pattern.
Really?
Yes.
Look! Those stripes are different. You're right. Wow! Like fingerprints?
Exactly! Every zebra is unique. Ready for the next animal?
Yes! Let's go! Wait, what is that? I think it's moving! Wow! It's so tall!
That's a giraffe.
Its neck is longer than Dad!
I think you're right. Giraffes have very long necks,
Why?
so they can reach leaves high in trees.
Look! It's eating! It's eating! Way up there!
Would you like to feed the giraffe?
Really?
Of course.
It took the leaves! That was amazing!
Giraffes are the tallest land animals.
The tallest?
That's right.
That's incredible!
Ready for the next animal?
Yes! My turn!
Hold the leaves carefully. What was that?
It sounded huge!
I think our next animal is saying hello.
Wow, they're gigantic!
These are elephants. Look at those huge elephants.
It's bigger than our car.
Much bigger.
That's incredible. What's that long nose called?
That's called a trunk.
A trunk?
Elephants use their trunks to pick up food.
Like a giant hand.
Exactly.
It's drinking.
It uses its trunk to draw water.
That's amazing. Look! It's taking a shower.
Elephants do that to cool down.
Ah! It got you. Look! A baby elephant. It's so cute.
Baby elephants stay close to their mothers.
Just like us.
That's right.
Bye, elephants. Thanks for the shower. Did you hear that? It came from the trees.
I think someone is watching us.
Look up. A monkey.
Good spotting.
Wow. It's flying.
It's jumping from tree to tree.
Aw, that's a baby monkey.
It stays close to its mother.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. What are you doing? I'm talking to the monkeys. Look, that monkey copied you. Really? Maybe it does understand me.
Monkeys use their arms and tails to help them move through trees.
They're really good climbers.
They sure are.
Did you see that? It took the banana!
Monkeys can be very clever.
Bye, monkeys!
Keep practicing my monkey language. Are you ready?
For what?
The lions.
I don't see anything.
Me neither. Keep looking. Ready for the next animal?
Yes! Let's go!
Are you ready?
For what?
The lions.
Wow! I don't see anything. Me neither.
Keep looking. Keep looking.
There! There! I found it! It's sleeping. I thought lions were always roaring.
Lions sleep for many hours during the day.
Really?
Yes, sometimes up to 20 hours.
Look at those paws. Whoa.
And those teeth. Lions are very strong animals.
It's moving! It's waking up!
Stay very quiet.
Okay.
That was loud.
Me too! Me too!
I felt that roar in my chest. Me too. That's why people call the lion the king of the jungle.
Roar! That's not scary. It was supposed to be. Roar! That sounded like a kitten. Bye, lion. You're still my favorite.
Good eyes.
Where'd it can't see it?
Look near those trees.
Wow, what animal is that?
That's a cheetah.
Look at all those spots.
Every cheetah has a spotted coat.
Cheetahs are the fastest land animals in the world.
The fastest?
That's right.
I think I can run faster. No way!
Watch carefully.
It's running! Whoa! It's so fast! I can barely see it! Wait for me! You'll never catch it!
Cheetahs use their speed to catch food.
That's amazing! Wow! They're like race cars!
Smile, everyone!
Cheetah smile!
We've seen a lot of amazing animals today.
I don't want the day to end. Me neither.
I hope you enjoyed your safari adventure.
We loved it. It was amazing.
I hope you enjoyed your safari adventure.
We loved it. It was amazing.
Come back again soon.
We will. Thank you for everything.
Thank you, Thing.
I don't want to leave. Me neither.
We can come back another day.
Everyone buckle up.
Okay. My favorite was the giraffe
Why?
because of its long neck. My favorite was the lion.
Really?
That roar was awesome.
What did you learn today?
Giraffes use their long necks to reach leaves. Elephants use their trunks to drink water. Every zebra has different stripes. Monkeys are excellent climbers.
Very good.
And cheetahs are the fastest land animals.
Excellent memory.
Home sweet home.
What a day. Look at this picture. That's when the elephant sprayed me. Today was amazing. Best safari day ever.
We learned so much today.
And had lots of fun.
Good night, Safari. See you next time.